초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해
My salute to the people in the head table City Vice Mayor, Honorable Alfonso S. Castura, Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Marlo S. Delano, Census 6, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Gilbert Guerrero, Census 6, Honor Guest, Engineer Mary Christine T. Juarez, our schools district supervisor, Attorney Salvador B. Macedonia, our school principal, Dr. Arlene S. Pagulon, and Sir Jack Z. Saladares. SGPA officials here today, respected teachers, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to you all. On behalf of the graduating class of 2024, I want to welcome all of our esteemed guests and our ever-supporting families and friends. Today, under the canopy that holds thousands of memories of our academic journey, we gather in high spirits to celebrate the recognition of our remarkable feat, our graduation from elementary school. These past 6 years have been filled with learning, laughter, and some unforgettable memories. We have grown academically, discovered new passions, and made lifelong friendships along the way. As we stand on the threshold of a new beginning, let us pause to commemorate the kaleidoscope-like experiences made by each one of us. As I look around, I see not just our classmates, but lifelong friends who we have shared countless memories with. From our first little steps into the classroom to mastering division and exploring the wonders of science, we have learned and grown together. We owe a great deal of our success to our amazing teachers and supporting families who have been our foundation and inspiration. With this, let us cherish the memories of the week and look forward to the future.
Supervisor of District 3, upon the recommendation of the basic teachers of Surigao West Central Elementary School, and in my capacity as the school head, I have the honor to present to you these candidates for graduation for school year 2023-2024, of whom 144 are boys and 142 are girls, a total of 286 grade 6
Uy, mangudakay,
who
no?
have satisfactorily completed the requirements for the K-12 basic education program, elementary level of the Department of Education.
Dr. Gilbert Guerrero, the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent of Surigao City, upon the presentation of teaching staff of Surigao West Central Elementary School, led by Dr. Arlene Pagulon, I hereby recommend for confirmation 144 boys and 142 girls, a total of 286 learners from Surigao West Central Elementary School who have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements under the K-12 program of the Department of Education for school year 2023-2024.
By the authority vested in me by the Department of Education, Caraga Region, Surigao City.
Design J.E. Campos Marina. Rivale Aika A. Wernuni Aika Grade C. Ivana Justin. Arquez Diaz
Jesus.